What do you mean by do while loop? Everybody got this screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
okay, so now in this slide, you can see I will tell you the what is the syntax. Okay, I will tell you something. Syntax is something which is like a grammar. Okay, grammar, a word.
जी
Please,
बाबा
please mute the voice, brother, student. Okay, I am hearing, and others may disturb as well. Okay, and whenever someone is talking, there is some kind of display show me that this student is talking. Okay, तो ख्याल कीजिए करें कि अंदाजा हो जाता है कि कौन स्टूडेंट बोल रहे हैं. So well, initialization. Now this is a syntax. Syntax is something that you know कि भाई जो है how to write while, and this is the way to write. This is the syntax of writing do while or while. Ratu has a question. Okay, Muhammad then. Yes, ask me question then.
सर मैं ये कह रहा था कि सर जो दूसरी क्लास भी चल रही है सर वो प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट की सर.
Okay, sure. As I told many times to you that this is class only of electronics right now. Okay, this is only a class right now electronics. But I sent to everybody a link. Just reason if you are free, then come in. Otherwise, you can leave. Okay, I know I don't mind that way. Okay, you can leave.
थैंक यू.
I know. Okay, I know that definitely. I know that only my subjects not you are studying. Definitely, maybe somewhere it contact. Okay. Thank you. You can be.
थैंक यू.
So, okay. So Zen is also very good student. Thank you, Zen. So we coming to the point here on this slide. We are coming to on this slide that it's saying that for while loop, you already know what we are doing. We are initializing. Okay. Have to initialize first and we write while and we must give some condition in here. And when condition is true, this block is running up to infinity time, until and unless, okay, it goes false. The condition goes false. And for making condition false or updated, we have to use increment or decrement operator, or you can say here as well, okay, you can just update. I would update value, okay, update. And how you update? You say for increment we use what we use for increment. We use plus sign, we use minus sign. You can say before the variable, after the variable, postfix, prefix, no matter. And then what we have another thing is you said decrement operator is okay minus sign, okay, and as I told you, okay. So now what will be update? So maybe you can say so I is equal to okay I plus 1. It also updating, no? It's also updating. It's also updating. You can say this updating, yes, update. Whatever is I have, it will be added by 1 and then it is stored in I, it updated. So this is also a way. Another way is updation also, you know that you have a sign operator and then you just do this. It also means that I equal to I plus 1. So I think you know this thing. So in condition while loop, we must give increment or decrement or update value. Okay, so it can be, we can make it false. Otherwise, the loop, if the condition is true, then it runs infinity time. Hope you have observed and hope you done that before. Therefore, the while we need initialization word here, and for the do while we come with the declaration. Now this is the syntax of do while. Okay, and an extra word is here which is do, and for the do while syntax, when we go for the do while concept, what we will have the syntax, we have declaration here, you know the meaning of declaration, okay. And now we have to write do, and with do what we do, we have to add to parentheses, okay, like this, a block you can say it, and then simple while, okay, and then what we do, condition, okay, over there, that's it. No, we have to just remove these also, okay. Now this is only we wanted for do while syntax, okay. I think you got it. What we want, only declaration, do block, and as a while, okay. And while what we do, we just add condition and then we add in the end semicolon. Now hope you got it that what we have syntax for writing do while. Why I'm just saying this, why I come up like that way, because it will help you to understand do while. How? I will tell you on the next slide. So what do you mean by the declaration? Anybody from you will tell me, please.
सर मैं बताया
No, student, someone else, please. I know you are good. I know everybody is good.
कमरान
सॉरी कामरान लेट मी नो। ओके, बताएं कोई प्रॉब्लम, बताएं। पर एक मिनट मैं चाहूंगा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाले पहले बोले यार, प्लीज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाले पहले बोले, सॉरी है ना। जैसे सैयद अली, ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाले पहले बोले उसके बाद। ओके, हमारे पास अजीज दो आ चुके हैं, एक बर्दाश्त नहीं होता, यहाँ दो अजीज आ गए। ओके
सर मैं कंप्यूटर पर जो है ज्वाइन कर बैठा हूँ सर।
okay, no matter, I understand. So now electronics, tell me what do you mean
सर
by
वो
the declaration?
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है इस वजह से सर।
Okay, so anybody tell me that what do you mean by the declaration?
सर डिक्लेरेशन वो होता है जिसमें सर वैल्यू नहीं होती सर।
शाबाश, ठीक है। सो हमें बताया, ठीक है। as Tariq said correctly, there's a declaration something in which we will not give value. Okay, so if I'm going to declare, how I declare, I just write here int and order. So order containing no value. You can see here order is a variable now, but order containing here no value. This is, we know that this is a declaration. So then what happened? Compiler come here, as I said, compiler come here, and what will do? It will read this. It will get to know that this is correctly written by user. So now the compiler come to read this. It will say that this is the do. Then what happened? It will come on this block. Okay, right? I said that it will come on this block, and under this block, it's inside this block. What is written? There nothing is written. It will check there is nothing written. You must write something on it. Okay? That's the reason you made block. Otherwise, why you make block? So you have to write. Let's suppose you are writing here system dot out dot println and give quotation sign or string. What you want to write on the string? Maybe you say, sir, sub milega restaurant menu. Kya? What is I give it name? That I have given this name as sub milega restaurant menu. Okay, so what will happen? This message can be shown on the screen. Definitely, I will give you the better name, I think so. Food menu. Okay, much better word, food menu. So I said when compiler come to here, it should see this is also an statement. Run this statement. It can compile as well and then run accordingly. So on the screen, what you will see, what you will observe, boys, you will observe that there's written food menu. Okay, got it? I think nobody is confused now. After this, what will happen? After this, if you wanna write another statement, what you will do? You will say, sir, we will write again system.out.println. That's it. And then what happened? Inside you will say, you must give any kind of menu. No? You say food menu, you must give any menu here. So you will write here 1.chicken shashlik. This is kind of dish. Okay, so